RSL Driver App Tutorial. Hello captains, welcome to RSL Driver App Tutorial. Pay less, travel more. In this video, we will go through the features and functions of the RSL Driver App. Download the RSL Driver App from the Play Store or App Store. Make sure the location is enabled always for RSL Driver App in your phone settings, permission, location. You need to have an account to use the RSL Driver App. If you're an existing user, enter your registered mobile number, click on Sign In to receive OTP for login. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up option. In the registration page, enter your name, mobile number, email, license plate number, bank account information. Click on Agree to Terms and Condition, Privacy Policy, and click Submit to complete registration. Once you click on Submit, you will receive an OTP to your mobile number you provided. Enter the OTP on the screen when it is asked. If you haven't received the OTP after a while, click on Resend OTP. Once you are in the documentation page, click on the sample images shown on the screen to upload your Emirates ID, RTA card, and driving license. Make sure the images you upload are of high quality. After submitting necessary documents, our team will verify and activate your account. This might take from a few hours to a few days. Once you receive confirmation from the verification team, log into your account. Or if you need any assistance, email to support@rslapp.ae or call 600-530-005. On Select a Car screen after logging in, search your car plate number and select the car to drive. Welcome to the home screen. You can see your status if you're online/offline on the top right corner. Also, you can see your current location on the map and details of the last 3 trips on the bottom of your home screen. Click on the Online/Offline button to toggle between modes. Click on the menu icon on the top left corner to access your menu. You can visit Profile, Trip History, Queue, Driver Payouts, Lost and Found from the option menu. You can see your personal details on the Profile page, including the details of the U vehicle. All of your trip history will be available when you click on Trip History from the menu option, including the full trip details with map. All later bookings will be shown in the Scheduled Bookings tab. Ongoing booking will show you the current trip. RSL App Bookings. If a customer makes a now booking, RSL Driver App will notify you with a green circle with a sound. You'll have to accept the trip by pressing the highlighted area. If a customer makes a later booking, RSL Driver App will notify you with an orange circle with a sound. You will have to accept the trip by pressing the highlighted area. Or you can choose to decline the trip by clicking on Decline on the top right corner. Click on Driver on the Way to let the customer know that you have started. Click the button on the bottom right to get the customer location on Google Map. Once you have reached the customer's pickup location, click on I have arrived to let the customer know that you have arrived at the pickup location. Customers will have 5 free minutes to board the car. You can call the customer to let them know that you have arrived by clicking on the call icon. If the customer is not shown even after 5 free minutes, a cancel button will appear on the screen, and you can cancel the trips. Make sure the customer is not responding your call. Click on the Start Trip once a customer has boarded the car. Click the button on the corner right to route map on Google Map. Click on the End Trip once reaching the customer's destination place to complete the trip and go to the payment page. 1. If the payment page shows payment by card and payment by wallet, that means the customer is already paid the money. Here, don't ask cash payment from the customer. 2. If the payment page shows a message to collect cash payment from customers, please collect the cash payment. 3. If the payment page shows card failed, collect cash from customer, show the message to the customer and collect cash. If you're facing any issue or difficulty in using the app, you can chat with the support team on WhatsApp by clicking the WhatsApp icon. To initiate a support chat on WhatsApp, click on the support icon shown on the screen. Our support team is available 24/7 to assist you. FAQ: I logged in, but I can't see my car in the car list. That means your partner has selected your car and he is not signed out. The car will be free once he signs out. I reached the customer location, but the customer is not picking up my calls. Wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the cancel button will appear on the top right. When I try to start a trip, it is showing you are on a trip. What to do? That means you didn't complete the last trip. Go to Menu, Trip History, Ongoing Booking, select the trip and complete the trip. Or click the WhatsApp chat icon for support. I accepted a booking, but it is not showing on the screen. That means you have accepted a later booking. Go to Trip History and find it in the scheduled booking. How do I make sure the card payment is received? When the trip is completed, you will be redirected to the screen showing payment is done by card. If it says collect payment from customer, then collect cash from the customer. Still have doubt? Click the WhatsApp button. Our support team will assist you. How do I get paid for the card trips and wallet payment? You will receive the payment in your bank account within a maximum period of 7 working days. My mobile restarted while I was on a trip. When I opened my app, the trip is missing. Go to Trip History, Scheduled, or Ongoing Booking. Click Track Now to get your trip back on screen. Customer says he will pay by card after the trip completed with cash. Go to Trip History, select the trip ID. There is an option to pay by card. Queue option is exclusive for RSL drivers. Queue is an amazing option available to you on RSL Driver App to make waiting for rides easier for you. Queues are available at major attraction spots. Eligible queues will be highlighted in white and the others will be grayed out. You can see the number of drivers working in the other location. You can view queues that are available near you by visiting the queue page from Menu option. Number of drivers already in the queue will be mentioned along with the queue name. You can choose the queue in which you want to add yourself to and confirm. Your position will be displayed on the app bar as shown. You can choose to exclude yourself from the queue by clicking on the cancel icon next to the queue you are already part of. Or, when you have been assigned a trip, you will be automatically removed from the queue and the next driver will take your queue number. Walk-in trip. This option is exclusive for RSL drivers. When you find your customers in the locations, you can manually initiate a walk-in trip. To initiate a manual walk-in trip, select the Walk-in tab next to Home and click on the Start Trip button. You can end a trip when you have reached the customer's destination by clicking on the End Trip button. Once the trip has ended, you will see the total amount to be collected from the customer on your screen. Customers can pay with cash or card. For card payment, click on Card icon on top right corner of the screen. Enter cardholder details on the screen and press Next. Enter card number, expiry month and year, security code to make payment. Receipt sharing. This option is exclusive for RSL drivers. On your trip page, click on the customer info icon to update contact details for a receipt. You have to enter the customer's mobile number and email on the screen and click on Save and Continue. Once the trip has been completed, receipt will be shared to the customer's mobile and email automatically. If you have missed to enter customer details, you can go to Trip History and select the trip for which you need to share the receipt. Click on Share Receipt icon to add customer contact details and send receipt. Whenever you receive a Supervisor Trip, it will be automatically accepted. It will also be displayed on top of the screen as Supervisor Trip. Start the trip once customer boards the car. We are happy to have you on board with RSL Cab. Let's move the world together.